10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 20, I think 4 times, 10 garbage, 33, 20, 88, 20, 10, 99. Next one is 1, 2, 1, 2. Next one is 1 garbage, 33, 2, 88, 99. So please verify. It is also 12 values. Please verify assignment whatever is given. So if anyone don't know assignment, I posted in the group also. In the group also I posted. In the group also I posted. Right? In the group also I posted. Just go to the just go to the group, that is also there, or otherwise go to website. In the GATE CSC category, you will find out the assignment 1. Right? C programming assignment 1, you will see. For that, answers are these. If any doubt, any problem, please let me know. Okay, fine. So now I'm starting now. In my opinion, today's class is just started now. Right? In my opinion, today's class is just started now. Assignment 1, whatever we given, answers are these. Whatever some people are said, I written. If any problem, let me know. I will check one time. Next one. Today's class, today's date is 7/4/26. Right? So pointers is the topic. I'm starting. Yeah, I need good morning from all of you. So people said good morning also. Right? Now let's go to the pointers. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. Everyone observe carefully. See this. As you know, many times I said integer means at any point of time, if I want 2 bytes, I will say into. It will give 2 bytes. At any time, if I want char, it will give 1 byte. At any time, if I want float, right? At any time, if I want to store float, so let's go for 4 bytes. At any time, if I want to store address, at any time, if I want to store address, at any time, if I want to store address, right? So remember, I need 8 bytes of memory. If you want to store at any time integer data, 2 bytes required. Call integer, 2 bytes. You want to store character, just call char, 1 byte memory will come. Right? At any time, if you want to store float data, simply say float, 4 bytes data will come. At any point of time, if you want to store address, then you ask the address purpose, right? It will give 8 bytes. How it is, we'll see now. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. How it is, you can see here. Integer, character, float, right? Address. Right? Now see everyone. Careful everyone. If I declare int A, what will happen is 2 bytes of memory will allocate. A, address is 1000, 2 bytes of memory allocated. So if you don't keep anything, garbage will be there. If it is a local variable, garbage will be there. Means in the stack area, garbage will be there. Static area, 0 will be there. That's okay. Let us assume that you said that inside A, I want to store integer data. Please give 2 bytes. It is given 2 bytes. Then you promise it to compiler. Right? Inside A, I want to store integer. Please give 2 bytes. 2 bytes memory given. You are storing integer. So remember, with the help of 2 in 2 bytes, you are storing 20. Right? With the help of 2 bytes, you are storing 20 inside A. Okay, that's okay. Let me say one more small line. So that's perfect. Int A is equal to 20. You asked the integer purpose 2 bytes. 2 bytes of memory given. Inside you store 20. Remember, 20 will store in the binary format. Nothing is there. 20 will store in the binary format. 20 will store in the binary format. Nothing there. So 2 bytes, 2 bytes memory. Inside the 20 will store. Next one. Can you see this one? Everyone observe. After this, if I say printf %d, you know this very well. Whatever I am saying, within few minutes you will get the clarity. Printf %d a. When I say printf A, whatever there inside it will print. It will print 20. Printf percentage D, right? Whatever is there inside it will print. That is also okay. Next one. Printf percentage U. Remember, if you want to print address, percentage U. Right? Ampersand A address if you want. A address if you want. You have to write ampersand A. Then 1000 will be printed. Right? So when you say int A is equal to 20, when you say int A is equal to 20, for the A purpose, 2 bytes of memory will allocate. Address is 1000. So inside you kept 20. Print a percentage D. You are printing any variable. You are printing any variable, means inside whatever there it will be printed. Inside 20 there, 20 will print. But remember, if you want to print data, integer data percentage D, float data percentage F, char data percentage C. If you want to print address percentage U, what is the meaning of U is unsigned. Address don't have signs. Unsigned integer. Address is always integer. But unsigned integer, there is no signs. There is no sign. Unsigned integer. Address is a unsigned integer. Try to understand. Right? So percentage U ampersand A 1000 will be printed. So now see this. This is the first problem. This is the first problem. If you don't return anything, you can write void also. No issue. You are not returning anything. You just write void. Okay? You are not returning anything. Just write void. So this is the problem 1. Do you have any doubt in the problem 1? Let me know. Do you have any doubt in the problem 1? Let me know. Slowly, I will make sure you will enter into the pointer slowly. Almost you done now. Almost you done. This is the problem number 1. This is the problem number 1. So can we move to second problem? Can we move to second problem? Can we move to second problem? Can we move? First problem done. Second problem, can we go? Slowly we enter into pointer. Slowly we enter into pointer. Slowly we enter into pointer. Can we move? Can we move second problem? Little more interesting. Right? Yeah. Let me inside go. Let me go inside. Inside I am going. First problem is over. Can you see the second problem? Can you see the second problem? Remember, integer purpose 2 bytes, character purpose 1 byte, float purpose 4 bytes, address purpose 8 bytes. Remember this. So problem number 1 over. Let's go to problem number 2. Let's go to problem number 2. First, let me explain. Let me explain first. When I say int A, 2 bytes of memory came. A 1000. So it is expecting int A, it is expecting, right, integer data. It is expecting integer data. Int A, it is expecting integer data because you asked the compiler for an integer purpose, I want one variable A, please give memory. Integer purpose, please give 2 bytes of memory. When you asked, it is given 2 bytes of memory. You promise it to compiler, integer data purpose, please give 2 bytes. Then they given 2 bytes. Inside 2 bytes, you stored something. Inside 2 bytes, you stored something. Let us assume that you stored 10. So 10 you stored. That's okay. Until now, everything is perfect. Now listen. Listen carefully. Int B. So you asked the compiler, understand, this is a very, very crucial point. You asked the compiler, I want one more variable B. I want one more variable B. Address may be 2000. That's okay. I want one more variable B, which contain address 2000, some address. Inside B also, I want to store integer data. Please give 2 bytes. You asked the compiler, I want one variable A where I want to store integer data. You asked, it is given 2 bytes of memory. You stored 10 inside, everything all right. And you asked one more thing. I want one more integer variable B, means I want 2 more bytes of memory, because inside B I want to store integer data. When you ask like that, it is given 2 more bytes of memory. From 2000 onwards, 2 bytes of memory is given. So inside B you have to store integer data. That's what you promised. Because of that reason, memory also created. Then what you done is, listen, what you done is, you written A. Everyone know variable name means inside, means 10. A means 10. Variable name means inside. Inside is 10 is there. So it is expecting inside be integer data. You stored integer data. No problem. No problem. Right? No problem at all. So you set to right at the time of B, you set to compiler, inside B I want to store integer data. Please give 2 bytes. Okay, is given 2 bytes. Is waiting. You will keep integer data inside, but you kept A. Remember, A means inside. I think 10. So 10 or A both are same. So I think, in my opinion, no mistake at all. In my opinion, no problem at all. Right? Be careful. Until now, there is no issue. Until now, there is no issue. Only for namesake, I am writing. Only for namesake. Printf percentage D A. So I think for this 10 will be printed. Printf percentage D B. Variable means inside. So 10 will be printed. Next one. Printf percentage U address. Right? ampersand A address. So 1000 will be printed. Printf percentage U ampersand B address 2000 will be printed. Almost. It's also very simple problem. It is also very simple problem. Main. It is also very simple problem. Yeah. Take this also. The output of this program is 10, 10, 1000, 2000, and one more thing is 2 variables are created. One variable name is A, memory is 2 bytes. One more variable name is B, memory is 2 bytes. Inside A, 10 will be stored. Inside B, 10 will be stored. A address is 1000, B address is 2000. So finally, output of second program is 10, 10, 1000, 2000. I feel everyone is comfortable here also. I think you people are with me now. Till now, you people are with me now. Till now, you people are with me now. Can we go ahead? Can we go further? Till now, you people are with me now. Can we go ahead? Can we go to third problem? 2 problems are over. We are slowly entering into we are slowly entering into main drama. Main drama going to start now. Main drama going to start now. As I mentioned to you, every day, 5 o'clock woke up. Every day you woke up 5 o'clock. Every day you woke up at 5 o'clock. Class there or not there. Woke up at 5 o'clock. If you want to woke up at 5 o'clock, you have to sleep early. You have to sleep early. So 9 o'clock you sleep. Worst case, sleep at 10 o'clock. I request everyone, sleep early. Sleep early. Right? So woke up 5 o'clock. Some people may be waking up 4. It's a very good habit. 4 o'clock wake up is a very good habit. If not 4, 5 o'clock woke up. It's up to you. Early woke up is the very good idea. As soon as you woke up. Right? So I think complete formalities. Right? Afterwards, if possible, maybe 15 minutes you can do yoga or walking or running, whatever it is. After 15 minutes over, I think you fresh up and sit and start revising the notes, yesterday notes and all. Exactly 6 o'clock class time you can come. Right? 6 o'clock exactly. Right? Class time you can come. If class there, if class not there, you can do your work, revising and practicing all the things you do. Remember, rank will come if you have a very good discipline. If you have a very good discipline, rank will come. Very good discipline required. One day studying, one day not studying, rank will not come. Very good discipline required. So please be careful. Very good discipline required. So I think first problem we done, second problem also we done. Most probably everyone is perfect. Most probably everyone is perfect. Yeah, I think it will take 1 minute. Let me read one time. Let me read one time. It will take 1 minute on. So we got in the 2026 GATE exam, we got 5th rank, we got 7th rank, 12th, 16th, 23, 46, 59, 92, 99, 130 is all. I wish next year this time your photo will be here. I wish next year this time your photo will be here. I want to see in the first few rows only. I want to see. Remember, it is not one day work, 1 year. Rigorously you have to work. 1 year you have to work rigorously. Rigorously you have to work. And if you like EPT classes, you can refer to your friends. You will get the 20% cash back. Right? In your profile, you will find out the referral code also. You refer your friends, you will get the 20% discount. 20% referral amount you will get. So you can join the foundation course or regular course. You can join whatever you want. 40% discount going on. This is the code you people can utilize. So if you go to the combo courses, you will get all combo course. 1 year course also you can join. 2 year course also you can join. Right? Combo regular practice course combo. RIC means practice course. Right? Except to actual classes, all the things you will get. So you can go for regular, you can go for foundation, you can go for test series, you can go for mentorship, right? You can go for GATE plus PSU course, whatever you want, you can select. So every Saturday, Sunday, mentorship is going on. If you stuck at anywhere, we are going to guide you. If you stuck at anywhere, we will track your performance. These are the free resources. If anyone not using, please use it. Please use it. It is there in the website itself. PYQs are there. Website itself is PYQs are there. Website itself 6,000 verified questions are there. Right? Next one, AIR1 handwritten notes also there. Free doubt solving also there. If anyone not joined our group, I request you everyone, please start joining the group and keep on ask your doubts. These are the things, advantages with the EPT. Please go ahead. So these are our previous rankers. Yeah, these are the people who are placed from the EPT placement courses. Right, I think perfect. DSA Super 50 batch is going on, right? So this is the interview series, right? It will be really helpful if anyone is preparing for the right interviews. Now come here. Example 2 over. Let's go to example 3. Let's go to example 3. Careful, everyone. Something nice problem is coming. Everyone concentrate. Actual pointers concept is starting now. 2 problems are over. See the third problem. Main. See the third problem. Main int a. When you say like that, understand. Third problem. When you say like this, for the variable a, memory will allocate value 10, address 1000. When you say main int a, right, for the variable a, memory will allocate 2 bytes of memory will be allocated. Inside a, you kept 10. 10 will store. Address is 1000. Everything is perfect. Okay, fine. Now listen. Int b. When you say int b, this is the very, very crucial point. When you say int b, as usual, you are asking compiler. Hello, compiler, to my variable b, right? I want memory. Int b means declaration purpose is asking memory. When you return the declaration, this is called declaration. Int a, int b, this is called declaration. Declaration purpose is you want to convey to compiler or the person who is creating memory, you want to convey to them. Hello, compiler, int b. So when you say int b, you are asking indirectly compiler, hello, compiler, my name is b. I want to store inside B integer data. Please give 2 bytes of memory. Whoever will allocate memory, those people you are requesting with the help of declaration. Declaration purpose is requesting memory. Int A. Hello compiler, my name is A. Right? I want to store integer data. Please give 2 bytes of memory. So he will give. Right? Actually, operating system, the allocation, deallocation done by operating system. You are asking operating system, please give. That is in the operating system, one chapter there, memory management. He is the one who will take care about all memory things, memory allocation, memory deallocation. Right, one of the functionality of operating system is memory management. So indirectly you are asking the operating system. Int B, you are asking B is asking the operating system, hello operating system, my name is B. To my variable, right, my name is B. To me, 2 bytes of memory required because I want to store integer data. When you ask like that, operating system allocate 2 bytes of memory to you. It is expecting inside B, you will store integer data because you asked B, I am B, I am storing integer data. Please give 2 bytes of memory. When you say like that, operating system will allocate 2 bytes of memory to you. It is expecting inside B, you will store integer data. You will return A. Integer data. A means inside 10. So inside B 10, there is no issue. That is perfect. But what problem happened is, some people will write ampersand A, they will write. Inside B, right, compiler or operating system expecting, as you promise it to them, you promise it to the compiler or operating system, indirectly maybe operating system, I will say compiler, let me say compiler. So so int B means you promise it to operating system, my name is B, to store integer data, I want 2 bytes of memory, please allocate. Then compiler will ask the operating system because he is the one who will allocate memory and all. Whenever compiler understand your requirement, it will ask the operating system, it will allocate 2 bytes of memory. Let us assume that 2 bytes of memory allocated already. And it is expecting inside B, you will store integer data, but you are storing address. See, you are storing address, ampersand A. Ampersand A means 1000. You are storing address, but you asked for integer data. But you are storing address. Remember, address storing required 8 bytes of memory. As we discussed previously, to store address, let's go to, it will take 1 minute. Let's go there. To store address, you know very well, I think 8 bytes of memory required. Let me go there. This is to store address 8 bytes of memory required. To store float data 4 bytes. To store char data 1 byte. To store integer data 2 byte. Right? But what you promised is, you almost play lie. See the lie. What is the lie? Int B means you said to operating system, my name is B. I want to store integer data. Please give 2 bytes of memory. You taken 2 bytes of memory saying that inside B I will store integer data, but you store address. You stored address. It is a lie. It will give error message. It is a lie, right? Compiler will give lie saying that you asked for something, you are storing something. What, right? See, some people are asking, what is the meaning of asked? Remember, left hand side is what you asked. Right hand side is what you stored. Left hand side is what you asked for. Right hand side what you stored. So what you ask left hand side, int B, hello compiler, my name is B. I want to store integer data. Please give 2 bytes of memory. When you ask like that, he is given 2 bytes of memory, and he is expecting inside you will store integer data. Instead of storing integer data, you stored address, which required 8 bytes. So there is a issue. So you may find out error message. You may find out error saying that you are a liar. Error means normally liar. You are a liar. Whenever you got error, it's something like you played some lie. What you said left hand side, I want to store integer data, please give 2 bytes. But what you done right hand side, you stored integer address. Ampersand A means inside A integer data, that address you are sending. So you said that I will store integer data, but you stored Integer variable address means address you stored. So it is a wrong. Remember, this procedure is, this way is a wrong. Listen everyone. Listen everyone. Int B. You want to store address. Inside B, you want to store address. Suppose assume that inside B, you want to store address. If you want to store address, you asked for data, you are storing address. It is a problem. You asked for data, but you are storing address. That is a problem. Some people are asking, then how to solve it? Very simple. You asked for data, you stored address, that is a problem. Then ask for address only. Why to ask for data? Why to store address? Ask for address only. How to ask? Very simple. Just keep star operator. That means you are saying, see this one, assignment operator left hand side. That means, what is the meaning of this declaration? Inside B, I want to store address. That star indication that inside B, I want to store address. Please give 8 bytes of memory. When you ask like that, 8 bytes of memory allocated, you are storing inside address. Address purpose, ask, store address, no issue. No issue. Some people will do something like this. See, int B star. You want to store address? Keep star. That means inside B, I want to store address. It is waiting for address. If you store address, well and good. If you store data, there is a problem. You asked for address, memory given for address, you are storing data. That is also wrong. You asked for data, but you are storing address. That is also wrong. Asking for data, storing address, wrong. Asking for address, you asked for address, but you are storing data. That is also wrong. Whatever purpose you asked, please store that only. Whatever purpose you asked, you do that only. If you do something else, you are a liar. There may be a chance of error message. See, if you want, you can check. Very interesting thing. Can you see this one? You asked for data. You are storing data, no issue. You asked for address. You are storing address, no issue. Whatever, remember assignment operator. First of all, we are talking about declaration. These are called declarations. These are called declaration. We are talking about declaration. And one more, declaration is not for me, declaration is not for you. Declaration is for operating system who will create memory, or declaration is for compiler who will create memory. If it is the static memory allocation, compiler will create. Otherwise, processor will create, but indirectly, directly with the help of operating system. Without operating system inside your computer, you cannot do anything. Indirectly, directly, operating system only. Now listen, declaration is not for you, not for me. Declaration is for operating system who will create memory. So the operating system want to know how much memory you want. So see the first line. See the first line. Int A, assignment operator. Remember everyone, declaration, assignment operator, left hand side. That is the main thing. Right hand side, what you store, that is the different. What you want, that is the left hand side. Declaration, assignment operator, left hand you see. Int A, that means you are saying to a compiler or operating system, hello compiler, my name is A. I want to store integer data. Please give 2 bytes. So he's given 2 bytes. Right hand side, you are storing integer data, no issue. You asked for integer data, you are storing integer data, no issue. Next one, you asked for, right? See this one. Int star B means, what is the meaning? I will explain. Int star B means, hello compiler, my name is B. I want to store inside me address, integer address. What is the meaning of integer address? Integer variable address. If you want, you can check. Inside B, you kept address. If I go to that address, there is a integer. That is the meaning of integer variable address. So second declaration is saying that my name is B. I want to store integer variable address. How can you say integer variable address? Int star. See, my name is B. I want to store inside integer variable address, int star. What is the meaning of integer variable address? So you will keep some address. If I go to that address, inside there is an integer. That is the meaning of integer variable address. So second line is saying that my name is B. I want to store integer variable address inside me. Means I want to store address. Please give 8 bytes of memory. Is given 8 bytes. You are storing address of integer, ampersand. A already contain integer. Its address you are sending. So 1000 you are sending. Everything is perfect. Now my question to all the people, whoever watching, my question to all the people, understand everyone. My question to all the people, it is very, very interesting. On the board as of now, how many variables are there? Please give answer everyone. On the board till now, how many variables are there? Make it fast. We done almost very good work we done. After this problem, you will get more clarity. On the board till now, how many variables you created? Everyone give answer. On the board till now, how many variables are created? 2 variables. People are saying 2 variables. What are the names? What are the names? 2 variables created. I am very happy. What are the names? Two variables are created. I am very happy. What are the names? A and B. 2 variables created. Fine. Names are A and B. I am very happy with that. Can you help me? What is the A size? What is the A size? 2 variables created. I am very happy. Names are A and B. I am very happy. What are the right? What are the names A and B? That is also okay. Can you say what are the types? Sorry, what are the sizes? I want sizes. What are the sizes? I think A purpose 2 bytes. B purpose 8 bytes. A purpose 2 bytes. B purpose 8 bytes because inside B you are storing address. Inside B you are storing address. So 2 variables are created. Names are A and B. Names are A and B. A purpose 2 bytes because inside A you are storing integer data. B purpose 8 bytes because inside B you are storing integer variable address. One you are storing data, another you are storing address. Some people are asking, sir, both look like same. How can you say address? Remember, in the declaration there is a star operator. In the declaration there is a star operator. Declaration, assignment operator, left hand side, there is a star operator. Indication that, oh, inside B you want to store address of integer. But if you see the first line, int A, so there is no star operator. That means inside A you want to store integer data. No star means integer data. Star there means integer address. Oh, one for storing data, one for storing address. Yeah, again I'm repeating now. How many variables created? 2. What are the names? A and B. What is the A size? A for integer data, 2 bytes. B for integer address, 8 bytes. You will get to know afterwards. You will get to know afterwards. First, let's complete this. You will get to know. Right? Let's complete this first. Afterwards, slowly we'll move one by one. Right? So, and one more. What is the B? B is also variable. Oh, then what is the difference between A and B? A storing integer data, B storing integer address. Oh, address it is storing. Address means how many bytes? 8 bytes. Address means 8 bytes. Okay, fine, perfect. But remember, variable names are A and B only. Variable names are A and B only. But to say A storing integer data, see before A int there. To say inside B integer address, right? Before B there is a int star. Before B there is a int star. Fine. Yeah, fine. So I feel everyone is perfect till now. Now can you see the remaining formalities? Everyone understand? Everyone understand here? Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. It may confuse also. Please see. Printf. This part may confuse also. Please be careful. printf. Printf, everyone observe, printf percentage d a. Whenever you say variable, inside what is there, it will print. Printf, careful everyone, printf percentage u. Remember everyone, it want to print address, it's okay. See this one, variable means inside, everyone observe, variable means inside, print b, variable is inside. Inside what is their address, because of is a pointer variable, inside address there, that is the reason I written percentage u. Remember, variable means not address, variable means not data, variable means inside. See, this is outside, this is inside, variable means inside. Variable means inside, inside can be data, inside can be address. If it is a pointer variable, inside there is a address. If it is a normal variable, inside there is a data. But remember, variable means inside. So printf percentage u b. What is the b? Variable means inside. Inside what is there? 1000. What is the 1000? Address. So percentage u. So 1000 is printed. Variable means, remember from today onwards, variable means inside. Inside what is there? If it is a normal variable, data. If it is a pointer, if it is a address variable, means address variable is called pointer variable. If it is a pointer variable, inside address is there. The one which can store inside address, that person is called as address variable or pointer variable. B is called pointer variable. A is called normal variable. A is a data variable. B is address variable. Another name is pointer variable. B is pointer variable or address variable. But inside the pointer variable, if you go, there is an address. Inside data variable, if you go, there is a data. Now understand one more beautiful thing. Can you see this? One more beautiful thing. Can you see this one? Printf. Be careful. Everyone be careful. Percentage d. B. B means variable means inside. B means 1000. B means 1000. Variable means inside. B means 1000. Okay. Afterwards, if I say star B, B is 1000, star B. The value inside 1000. The value inside 1000 is 10. So this will print 10. So remember, it is 10. Some people are asking, sir, what is the meaning of this? Remember, if I'm a pointer variable, inside me there is a address. If I have address, if I say star of that address, inside that address, what is there? It will come. I have, listen everyone, I have an address. If I say star of that address, inside that address, whatever there, it will come. At any point of time, if you want to extract data, the address, whatever I have, inside that address, what data is there, you want to extract, use star address, you will get the data. Some people are asking, sir, if I have data, I want address of that data, then ampersand. Ampersand will give address. See, A means inside data, 10 is there. That address, if you want, ampersand. At any point of time, if you want address, ampersand. At any point of time, you have address, but you want data, then say star. So B means 1000, star B, the value inside 1000, 10. So 10. Some people are asking, sir, what is the purpose of star, sir? I have address, I want to get data. Then use star, automatically data will come. This star is called dereference operator. This ampersand is called a reference. Reference means address. Ampersand is called reference operator or address operator. Star is called dereference operator. What does it mean? Whenever you want data, you can use star operator. Let me write now. Everyone observe. Star is called. First, let me write ampersand. Ampersand is a reference operator. Star, dereference operator. Right? Now interesting answer. Very, very interesting thing I want to say to you. In this code, how many times you will see star operator? I want answer. In the example 3, how many times you are able to see star operator? Please give answer, everyone. Everyone try to give answer. In the third program, how many times you seen star operator? Everyone type. Everyone type. In the third program, how many times you seen star operator? Everyone. I will give the numbers also. Right? Some people are saying 2 times. Where you seen? Where you seen? Let me know. In the third program, how many times you seen star operator? If anyone say 2 times, where you seen? Numbers also say. You said that 2 times you seen. Where you seen? Make it fast. You said that 2 times you seen star operator. Where you seen? Some people are saying 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Okay, I'm very happy. Can you help me now? 2 is for user or operating system. 5 is for user or operating system. Let me know. Every statement is some purpose. Second statement is for user or operating system. Fifth statement is user or operating system. I want answer. Second statement to whom? Fifth statement to whom? I want answer. Second statement to whom? Fifth statement to whom? I want answer. I think second statement, I think creating memory for operating system. Fifth statement for user. Am I right? Second statement for operating system. Fifth statement for user. Remember what operating system will think is second statement. Second statement star operator, declaration time star operator. What operating system will think is, oh, int star b. Oh, right? Declaration time is using star. That means inside b you want to store address. So by seeing it is a declaration. Remember everyone, it is a declaration. Let me write. Declaration is for operating system or compiler, whatever you want, you can write. It is a declaration. It is for operating system. Why operating system? Creating memory. So what operating system will think is, oh, inside B, let me write. Inside B, you want to store, inside B, want to store address. So allocate 8 bytes memory. 8 bytes memory allocated. That is the meaning. So by seeing declaration, immediately operating system got to know, oh, you want to store inside B address, right? Inside B, you want to store address, 8 bytes of memory allocated. So now see the fifth line. So remember, this is normal line. This is for user. What user will do is, by seeing star operator, what user will do is, by seeing the star operator, what user got to know is, oh, star B means B contain address. User got to know, oh, you are using star in the printf. It is a user statement. User got to know inside B address there. Star B, the value inside B. Let me write now. The value inside address. Address means here B. What is the B address? What is the B? B means 1000, right? The value inside address R. The value, see this one. The value inside B. Everyone know what is the B? B is 1000. The value inside B is 1000. So I think the value inside 1000 is 10. That is the answer. Right? User using star means you have already address. B means 1000, which is address. The value inside that address. What is that address? 1000. The value inside 1010. Remember, star, by seeing star, same meaning will not come. If it is a user statement, fifth meaning will come. If it is a operating system statement, right, second meaning will come. Second line, whatever I written, declaration time star, that is the meaning. So fifth line, whatever I written, right? User level, this is the meaning. Star having two meanings. Declaration time star. Oh, inside you want to store address. Not declaration. Other time star. Oh, he is having already address. I want to extract data. To extract data from the given address, you have to use a dereference operator star. To extract data from the given address, you have to use dereference operator star. Right? To extract the address from the data, you have to use the reference operator. You want address, reference operator. Address means reference. Remember from today onwards, address means reference. So ampersand is a reference operator. Then who is the reverse of it? Dereference operator, star operator. Be careful, star operator. Now, one more interesting answer. Some people may be confusing. Be careful, everyone. Be careful, everyone. Some people may be confusing. See this one. See everyone. See everyone now. A star B. A star B. Remember, it is a multiplication operator. A star B. It is a multiplication operator. Only star B. It is a dereference operator. Don't confuse. Don't confuse. A star B. It is a multiplication operator. Star B, that is the reason C language is context to sensitive language. Depending upon context, it will change. Meaning will change. At which context you are. C language is a context to sensitive language. Based on the context, the meaning will change. A star B, their multiplication. Star B, star B. So I think it is a dereference operator. Dereference operator, star B. B already contain address, star B, the value at that address. So be careful. Be careful. I think people got what the answer of this problem. So third problem, is there anyone who is having doubt? Third problem, is there anyone who is having doubt? In this problem, do you have any doubt? Make it fast. In this problem, do you have any doubt? Bro, go ahead. In this problem, do you have any doubt? Third problem, do you have any doubt? Remember, two variables are created. One is for data purpose, one is for address purpose. One is data and one is address. Right? And one more, two places you used star operator. Two places you used star operator. One is declaration time, different meaning. Declaration means operating system will come. It will convert in his own way. So declaration, immediately operating system will come. It will say, oh, right, B int star. What is the meaning? Oh, inside B, you want to store address. Address na 8 bytes. Let me allocate 8 bytes of memory. You will allocate. Declaration purpose is creating memory. Okay, next one, fifth line. It is not a declaration. It is a normal statement. Star B. What is star B? Oh, you want to extract data. Means inside B address there. Because you are saying star B. To whom you applied star, yeah, you have already address. To whom you applied star, that person already having address. So to get the data at that address, star operator you have to use. Different meanings, different people will think different ways. Operating system will think, oh, this line is mine, so he have his own terminology. Printf means user, user purpose. User having its own meaning. I think you got little bit. So some more clarity, you have to wait for other problems. Let's go to example 4. Example 4 will give more clarity. Example 4 will give more clarity. Take the example 4. Take the example 4. It will give more clarity. It will give extraordinary clarity. It will give extraordinary clarity. Can you see this? Main. Int A is equal to 10. So for A, 10, address 1000. So you asked for integer data. You asked for integer data. So I think 2 bytes of memory allocated. You stored 2 bytes. I think everything perfect. No ambiguity here. Next one. Can you see this? Int B. So inside B, you want to store again integer data. Once again, 2 more bytes of memory allocated, but you return ampersand A. It is an error. You asked for data 2 bytes, but you are storing 8 bytes. There is a problem. So, but you want to store address, na? If you want to store address, why are you saying int B? Say star B. So inside B, I want to store address. Now, no issue. You want to store 8 bytes. In 8 bytes, no issue at all. So that is also okay. Fine. That is also okay. Now, can you see this? Can you see everyone? Can you see everyone? So when you say int C, for the C also 2 bytes of memory allocated. For the C also 2 bytes of memory allocated. But you return ampersand B. B address you want to store. Ampersand B. Remember, A address means E will come. B address means E will come. So inside B, see this one. Everyone listen. Inside C, you want to store B address. What is the B address? 2000. Inside C, you want to store B address. So when you want to store address, you have to say to compiler, I want to store address. So stay star operator. Inside C, I want to store B address. So because of you want to store address, so say star operator store. But see the interesting answer. Inside C, you are storing address. So star operator you kept. Okay. Whose address? B address. Interesting thing is B already having someone's address. B already having someone's address. What is the meaning? B already pointer. Is address you are keeping. So double pointer. Remember, I have address of someone who already having address. Means I am a double pointer. So C is a double pointer. Pointer means that star operator. That star operator is called pointer. So C is a double pointer. Why? What is the meaning of pointer? C is a pointer means C internally contain address. But if I go to that address, one more pointer there. See, B is a pointer. B already contains someone's address. So C is a double pointer because you have address. If I go there, again address is there. B is a single pointer. But A, if you observe, A directly having data. A is not a pointer. But B is a single pointer. C is a double pointer. But one thing understand, B is a single pointer. What is the meaning? Inside B address. C is a double pointer. What is the meaning? Inside C address is there. If I go to that address, see, inside C address is there. If I go to that address, again address. If I go to this address, then I will get data. So from, listen, C is a double pointer. What is the meaning? From C to get the data, 2 levels are there. First, one level, you will get one address. One more level, you will get data. But from B to get the data, one level only. Just say, right, one level. If you say star to B, automatically you will get data. For the A, directly you will get data. For the A, you will get the directly data. So now, because of you are little bit okay, now I will say few things. Observe clearly. Printf. Careful. Printf. Percentage D. Percentage U. A comma B comma C. Remember, A is a normal variable. When you print it, data you will get. B is a pointer variable. If you print it, address will come. Inside B, whatever there, that is. C also pointer variable. If you print, inside whatever there, it will print. So first one person will give the data. Next 2 people will give addresses. Okay, that is okay. Now listen. Very, very interesting one. Everyone listen. Printf. Percentage D. Everyone observe. Printf percentage D. Everyone observe. B. Variable means inside. So printf percentage D. B means 1000. Star B, the value inside 1000. 10. In the similar way, can you see this one? Printf percentage D. C means, right? Variable means inside. C means 2000. Star C, the value inside 2000. Next one, star 1000, the value inside 1000. So 10. What I mean to say is, because of C is a double pointer, to get the data from C at the time of retrieval, 2 stars required. C is a double pointer, to get the data from there, 2 stars required. B is a single pointer, to get the data from there, 1 pointer required, 1 star operator required. D is a, right, A is a normal person, to get the data, no star required. Directly you will get data. See, all people will give data. At the end of the day, I should get my data. In which format you will store whatever format you like. Finally, I should get my data. Otherwise, what is the purpose? At the end of the day, data storing, data retrieval. You do anything. I will store my data. Whenever I want, I will retrieve. But in the different format, I will store. Some people will store direct format, like A. Some people will store, right, indirect. Some people will store indirect. So this is normally in the computer organization terminology. Normally, this is computer organization terminology. Normally, this one computer organization terminology. What they will call as A directly coming in a immediate addressing mode. Directly coming, immediate addressing mode. Immediately it is giving data. But if you see the B, after 1 star, you are getting data. Direct addressing mode. If you go to the C, after 2 stars, you are getting data. Indirect addressing mode. A is called as immediate addressing mode. B is called as like direct addressing mode. Why direct? B means address will come. If I say 1 star, I will get data. Directly you are giving address, whichever is needed. I will say star, I will get data. But why A is called immediate? No star, nothing. A means directly data I will get. So what I mean, different ways of storing. C is a double pointer. See, at the time of declaration, you said C is a double pointer. What is the meaning? Inside C, first of all, star means inside C address is there. But double star, inside address there. What is the meaning? If I take the first address 2000, I will go to some other address 1000. If I go to that 1000, I will get data. So, right, remember, declaration time. Declaration time, you said that B is a single pointer. Declaration time, you said that C is a double pointer. Declaration time, you said that A is a normal person. A is a normal person, he will get data directly. B is a single pointer, you will get the data after 1 star. C is a double pointer, you will get the data after 2 stars. Everyone will give data. Everyone will give. But how you stored? You have to reverse. You stored as a single pointer to get the data, 1 star required. You stored as a double pointer to get the data, 2 stars required. This is the best example for the pointer. If you can handle this, almost you got pointers. This is the best example of pointers. This will give pointers clarity to you. Please try to understand. Pointers clarity will come here. This problem will give clarity. Let me know if anyone having any doubts till now. Make it fast. It is example 4. Everyone try. It is example 4. Any small doubt also there? Let me know. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Sir, I have this doubt. Ready, sir? I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. It is the best example for pointer. Total question paper contain pointers only. In GATE examination, total question paper contain pointers only. Total question paper contain in the exam, pointers only. It is the main. In my opinion, C programming is just started. C programming main story pointers only. Because of I have to say all formalities I said. Because of I have to say all formalities I said. But remember everyone's, let C programming questions will come. 90% questions will come from pointers only. C programming, 90% questions will come from, right, pointers only. Okay, example 4 over. Let's go to example 5. Main. See the example 5. Main. Int A is equal to 10. Int B is equal to ampersand A. Int C is equal to ampersand B. Printf A star B. Printf A double star B. Printf A star C. Printf A star star C. Printf A star 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 C. End of this. This is the problem, right? What you do is, please try your opinion. Don't worry anything about the answer. Please try your opinion. It's an example 5. It's a very interesting problem. Please try this. Careful. Don't worry at all. Don't worry. See, consequences, don't worry. Every time if you think about consequence, what you cannot do any work. You cannot do any work. Consequences always you cannot think about. Do honestly your work. Do honestly your work. You do honestly your work. Automatically everything will come. Do honestly your work. Automatically everything will come. So I will give the numbers also. I will give numbers. First printf, second printf, third printf, fourth printf, fifth printf. First printf, second printf, third printf, fourth printf, fifth printf. Right. So I will try one by one. Everyone listen. This is going to be very interesting problem. It's going to be very interesting problem. Can you see this? This problem is very interesting. Can you see this? One time. Everyone can see this. Everyone can see this. Int A is equal to 10. See this. Int A is equal to 10. A memory will allocate. Okay. 10 address 1000. Next one. So A purpose 2 bytes of memory inside A 10. Next one. B purpose 8 bytes of memory. B address is 2000. because of, right, you are storing inside B address, that is okay, right? So whose address? A address, 1000. So that is also okay. Now one more C also, one more variable C also created, that is also you are storing inside, even though it is a double pointer, inside C you are storing address only. Address means 8 bytes. Inside C you are storing address only. Address means 8 bytes, right? So B address you are storing 2000. Fine, until now fine. A okay, B okay, C okay, everything fine, right? A okay, B okay, C okay. So until now all the things are fine. Now observe clearly. Listen everyone. Variable means inside. It's a pointer variable, normal variable, doesn't matter. There is no discrimination here. Variable means inside. Pointer variable outside, normal variable inside. It is not like that. Variable means inside. Variable means inside. You always remember, otherwise you are gone. Otherwise you are out of the story. Variable means inside. See, boy or girl doesn't matter. Student is student only. Same way here. Variable is variable only. Pointer variable one story, normal variable one story. It is not like that. Variable is variable. Variable means inside. If I say print A, 10 will print. If I say print B, 1000 will print. If I say print C, 2000 will print. So I think I will write only for namesake. Variable means inside only. Print A, B, C. Print A, B, C. It will print inside people only. 10, 1000, 2000. Inside whatever there, those only will print. Be careful. Variable means inside only. This is the very, very important one. This is the very, very important statement. If anyone forgotten, if anyone mistakenly done wrong, anyone done unknowingly wrong, so remember, variable means inside. Sir, pointer variable inside out, sir. Arey bhaiya, everything is inside. Variable means inside. Variable means, but pointer is something different. Arey bhaiya, variable means inside. That's it. No more discussions further. Variable means inside. Because all are variable. For special purposes, you are using some other things are special, but they are variables. Okay, 0th statement is over. So print A, B, C. Variable means inside 10,000, 2000 will be printed. Everything all right. Now go to the first statement. Everyone listen. This one. Everyone listen. A variable means inside. A 10. Right? Variable means inside. B means 1000. Inside, right? In between star operator. Now let me ask you one interesting question. Let me ask you one interesting question. See, this star is 1000. This is 1000. Right? Address star 1000. What is the value? Star 1000. What is the answer? The value inside 1000. 10. 10. So this became already 10 there here. 10 followed by 10. 10 followed by 10. See, 10 followed by 10. But there is no operator. Star 1000 is 10. 10 followed by 10. I think there is a problem. No operator in between. No operator in between. So first statement is a error. It will give error. You return the two values side by side. No operator in between them. Now see this. You will get the clarity. A 10. B is 1000. Star 1000 is 10. 10 into 10. 10 into 10. It is 100. There is no issue at all. There is no issue at all. A is 10. B 1000, star 1000, the value inside 1000, 10. So 10 into 10, finally 100. Between two values, operator star is there, which is going to be 100. Next one, can you help me? A is 10, C is variable means inside 2000. See the answer. A is 10, C is 2000, star 2000, the value inside 2000, 1000. So see the answer. 10 followed by 1000. See, one value, one address side by side you return. No operator, nothing is there, right? This will give error message. What is the meaning of two people you are keeping side by side any operator? What is the meaning? So error message will come. It is error. Now you will get in the fourth option maybe more clarity. Can you see this fourth? See this one. A 10, C is 2000, star 2000, 1000. Star 1000, 10. So it will goes to 10 followed by 10. Two people side by side, no operator. It is also wrong. What is the meaning of two operands side by side? 10, 10. You written 2 times, no operator. So definitely it is an issue. Definitely it is an issue. Now go to the next one, fifth one. See the fifth one. Printf A star star C. Can you see this? Very interesting. A 10. B, C going to be 2000. Star 2000 is going to be 1000. Right? Star 1000 is going to be 10. Next one, 10 into 10, it is 100. This is perfect. This is perfect. It's a very, very nice problem. Very, very nice problem. It's a very, very nice problem. This problem you are okay means almost you are see, you are increasing your level one problem to problem. Problem to problem, you are increasing your level. Problem to problem, you are increasing your level. Remember, you are increasing your level problem to problem. One problem to another problem, you are increasing your level. Okay, you are increasing your level problem to problem. Can I move next? Any discussion, any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Hello? Hello? Any doubt? Someone is saying, can you explain A star C? Can you see this? A star C. See, A is 10. C is 2000. Star 2000. 1000. So 10 followed by 1000. 10 followed by 1000. In between, no operator. One star, whatever there, already over. C 2000, star 2000, which will goes to 1000. So 10 followed by 1000. See, 10 followed by 1000. In between, nothing there. What should I do? You are printing one value only. You are printing one value. How can you print two values? How can you write any expression without any operator between them? 10 followed by 1000. In between, no operator. In between, no operator. When you write any expression, there should be operator. Same story, A star star C. See, A is 10. C 2000, star 2000 is 1000, star 1000 is 10. 10 followed by 10. See, between two operands, there is no operator. What should I do here? It is also error message. It is also error message. Finally, it should give one value. Finally, it should give one value. If you see the fifth line, one value came. 10 into 10, which is going to be 100. It's a very, very interesting one. It is a very, very interesting problem. You never see this one in any book. You don't see this one in any book. You don't see this one in any book. Any doubt? I think still you have some doubt. Any doubt, let me know. Make it fast. Can we go next? Can we go next? Can we go next? See, if you want to write any expression, between two operands, there should be operator. Between two operands, there should be operator. If you see the first line, A10, B is 1000, star 1000, star 1000. So 10 followed by 10, there is no operator in between. 10 followed by 10, there is no operator in between. Right. Now, so anyone having doubt? Are Isaac, do you have doubt? Isaac, do you have doubt? Soham, do you have doubt? Isaac, do you have doubt? Soham, do you have doubt? Don't write any expression without any operator. Between two operands, no operator there, why you return? Between two operands, no operator, then why you return? Now, very, very important question I want to ask you. Very, very important question. Very, very important question I want to ask you. Please listen. Please listen. In the second printf, how many star operator? Very, very interesting question. This is going to be game changer. This is going to be game changer. Can you help me? In the second printf, how many star operator? In second printf, how many star operator? Hello? Are second printf, how many star? Yeah. In second printf, how many star? How can you say one? One, two are there. In the second statement, second printf, how many star? Everyone say. In the second printf, how many star? 2 star. See, 2 star. In second printf, 2 star. Okay. Second printf, 2 star. How many stars be taken? Second printf, 2 stars. Okay. How many stars B took? How many stars B took? B is 10. B is 1000, star B is 10. So, second printf having 2 star operator, B taken only 1 star. See, B taken only 1 star. 10 into 10. So, this star is multiplication. This star is a multiplication. B took only 1 star. This is a multiplication operator. Some people are asking, sir, if 2 stars are there, B took only 1 star, remaining became multiplication. How, sir? How this magic happened? Sir, in the second printf, 2 stars are there. B took only 1 star. Next one became a multiplication. See, 10 into 10. It became 10 into 10. Let me use another color also. Let me use another color. It became 10 into 10. Right? So B is 1000. Star 1000 is 10. It became 10 into 10. 10 into 10, which became 100. So B took only 1 star. So what I mean to say is, in the second printf, 2 stars are there, but B took only 1 star. B took only 1 star. Second star became multiplication. The question here is, why B took only 1? Why not 2? Very simple. Why B took only 1? Why not 2 is very simple. Can you go here? Declaration time, you said that B is a single pointer. Declaration time, you said B is a single pointer. See, compiler will remember so nicely. Compile, right? At the time of declaration, you said B is a single pointer. If B is a single pointer, further also, B will take only 1 star. It don't take more. Declaration time, you said that B is a single pointer. That is the reason B will use only 1 star. Next one, it will use as a multiplication operator. Can you come here? Very interesting. Can you come here? Very interesting. In the fifth line, if you observe, see this one, fifth line, if you observe, there are 3 stars are there. Observe here. Fifth line, if you observe, there are 3 stars. Out of 3 stars, C used 2 stars. C used 2 stars. Actually, in the fifth line, 3 star operator, but C used only 2 star. Another star is a multiplication. Another star is a multiplication, 10 into 10, which became 100. Which became 100. 2 stars are for C. Why? Why? Declaration time, you said C is a double pointer. C is a double pointer. Declaration time, you said C is a double pointer. So remember, declaration time, what you say, accordingly it will behave further. That is the purpose of declaration. That is the purpose of declaration. Declaration time, what you said, right? Further, whatever will come, based on the declaration only it will come. Based on the declaration only it will come. So please try to understand. Now I will give one small clarity. Observe here. Observe. Everyone, it is very, very crucial things. These are very, very crucial things. See the answer. See the answer. Into A10. A10. Address 1000. Okay, I understood. Next one. Into star B is equal to ampersand A. It's a 2000. Inside 1000 there. That is also okay. Int star C is equal to ampersand B. Inside C, that is the 3000. You will keep here 2000. Until now, everything is fine. Inside A, B, C, everything is perfect. Everything I kept. So if I say print A, remember variable means inside. Variable means inside. Remember everyone. Variable means inside. Right? So print A 10 will print B 1000 will print C 2000 will print. This one no one having objection. This one no one having objection. Now observe. Everyone observe here. Printf, careful. Printf C. I will write, I think it is better to write properly so that you will get a clarity. Let me write properly. Let me make it as a one problem. This may give some more clarity. So let me write properly. So I think it is example 5 over. I think above one is 5. It is example 6. Understand this. Understand this also. Example 6. Example 6. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute, water I am taking. Yeah, this problem try to understand. Everyone try to understand this problem. Make sure everyone will listen this also. It's very interesting. Main int A is equal to 10. So A10 address is 1000. That is perfect. Int B, it is a star operator, ampersand A. So B 2000 inside 1000. That is also okay. Int star C is equal to ampersand B. So C, which is going to be 2000, it is going to be 3000. Everything okay. So variable means inside. I will print printf ABC. Printf ABC. 10 will print, 1000 will print, 2000 will print. Until now, no issue. Careful understand. It's a very, very important one. Can you concentrate here? Can you concentrate properly? Printf ABC 10,000, 2000 printed. That's okay. Now listen. Very interesting point. Very interesting point. Printf. Careful. Printf C. See this one. Printf C. Printf C. C variable means inside, na 2000. Okay. Next one. Printf star C. C 2000 star 2000. The 2000 star 2000. 1000. 1000. Next one. Printf star C. C is 2000. Star 1000. Star 2000 is 1000. Star 1000 is 10. Check properly. It is a 10. Right? That is also okay. Listen, that is also okay. Let me check further. Right? See the answer. Printf. Careful everyone now. Star C. See this one. C 2000. Star 2000 is star 2000 is 1000. Star 1000 is 10. See this one. Star 10. Star 10. One more star. Remember, declaration time you said double star. Declaration time you said that C is a double star. C is a double star, you said declaration time. Further, you can use only 2 stars. If you try to use one more star, see, already you got data. you are using star data, it will give error message. Declaration time, you said C is a double pointer. How can you use a triple pointer? Already you got data. Already 2 stars are over. You already got data. What is the meaning of star data? Star address, okay. Star data what? Star 10. Already 10 is data, yeah. What is star data? Remember, error message will come. See, C having the ability of maximum 2 stars. More than 2 stars, if you try, error message will come because compiler will say you are a liar. Compiler will say you are a liar. You said, compiler will say, right? Compiler will say, you said at the time of declaration, C is a double pointer. Array, liar Isaac, how can you use a triple pointer? Declaration time, you said C is a double pointer. I trusted you. Now, at the time of using, you are using triple pointer. Array, Isaac, idiot. Array, Isaac, buffalo. How can you use a triple star? Whatever you said double star here, you have to do same thing here. How can you use a triple star? Array, idiot. Array, dog. Array, buffalo. So actually, operating system or compiler want to say lot of scolding user. It want to scold the user a lot, but it's not a human. It's a controlling. It will give so politely. Hi, Isaac, you done something syntax error. Hi, Isaac, you done something semantic error. Like that, it will say politely. But if you open little properly, if you give the chance to compiler, it will scold you like anything. You are a dog. You only said it is a double pointer. Now you are using a triple pointer. Your brain dead or what? Your brain dead. Anjali, your brain dead. Useless fellow. You said double pointer. You are using a triple pointer. Don't you have common sense? Common sense not working. Whatever you say also you don't follow. After 3 lines only, see, you said here double pointer. After 3 or 4 lines, you are using triple pointer. Within 3 lines only, you are dead. Within 3 lines only, you are dead or what? So like that it will happen. So whatever you say at the time of declaration, do that. So even though if you use more, so it will use only is required one. Next operator, it will see already data, star data. What is star data, yeah? Star address, okay. What is star data? Star 10, already data you got. Finally, you want to get data. Data already came. We are using star, error message. So be careful. Now some students are asking, very interesting question. Some students are asking, sir, Reddy sir, it is a double pointer, na? C is a double pointer. Declaration time I said C is a double pointer. Declaration time I said C is a double pointer. If C is a double pointer, how can you use without any pointer? How can you use with one pointer? How can you use with a double pointer? So double pointer, I said I am using double pointer, no issue. But how? Remember, double pointer means you can use maximum 2 pointer. You can use maximum 2 pointer. You cannot cross more than 2. So without star also okay, but you will get address. Because you kept inside address. Until 2 stars, you will get address only. So you will get address. Again 1 star, again address you will get. 2 stars over 2 star, you will get data. Already data came. It is address. It is address. So remember, double pointer means you can use maximum 2 stars at the time of retrieval. If you use more, error message will come. More, you are greedy fellow. Isaac is greedy. Isaac, greedy fellow. So many star operator. Anjali is so greedy. Anjali is so greedy. Isaac is greedy. Anjali is so greedy. 2 stars, 3 stars, kaise yaar? Bhaiya, 3 stars, kaise yaar? 3 stars, this much greedy people. You said 2 stars. You said 2 stars. You said 2 stars at the time of declaration. But while using, you are using 2 star. You are using 3 star. Greedy fellows. Soham saying that, what about me? You are more greedy. Soham is more greedy. Greedy fellow. Soham is a greedy fellow. Okay, fine. This kind of common sense. Actually, compiler want to scold a lot all humans. Are dog. 3 or 4 lines before, 3 or 4 lines before you said I'm a double pointer. Now you are using a triple pointer. Sense missing kya? Dimag kharab. So like that. Why balloons are showing? Where? I don't know. It's really every 8 o'clock it is happening. Some signal saying that class time is over. Some signal saying that class time is over. Maybe that is a signal. Maybe. Serious discussion is going on. This Anjali saying, why 8 o'clock balloons are coming? Right? Serious discussion going on. I thought she is asking some doubt related to pointer. I thought related to pointer. I thought like this. But she's asking so seriously, why balloons? Why balloons? With the balloon, hit on my head. Hit on my head. Kill Reddy sir. Kill Reddy sir. Right? Push those balloons on my head. Okay, fine. Can we move to next? Maximum. So when you said the two pointer, maximum 2 pointer, you cannot use, right? See. While using further, you can use max 2 stars. While using further, you can use maximum 2 stars only. Remember, if you use more, see, Isaac, Soham, Anjali, they tried three people, na? So Isaac that I am one, Anjali one more, Soham is one more, three. We are 3 greedy people. Can we use 3 stars? Use 2 stars over data came. Star data, error. Greedy people, na? Error will come. Right? So error is came. Right? Fine. Perfect. We'll see in the next class. Further story. In the next class, we will see further story. Is it okay? The max will give actual data. Of course, that is the purpose. No? At the end of the day, anything you do, data purpose only. Whatever data is stored, I should get it back. Different ways of get it back. Someone will give directly, someone will give indirectly, someone will give immediately. At the end of the day, our data should come. Until our data, it will allow more than your data you are doing, it will give error message. Right? Fine. We'll see in the next class further story. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Thank you. I will share these notes in the group. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Hope you are finding these classes useful. All resources are there in the description and in the first comment also, like doubt solving group link, 5000 verified questions link, mock tests, quizzes and notes, and right, all the things whichever needed, all kept in the description. Please see, use them properly. These are the resources which you need. I have been guiding students since 2007. Many of my students secured top ranks in the competitive exam. My goal since 2007, from the last 18 years, my goal is very clear. Within 6 to 12 months, I want to make sure my students should crack all competitive exams. Whatever way you are watching these videos, right, these lectures, for all the subjects, similar way is there. Same clarity will be there. And I request everyone, comment your target exam, which exam you are targeting. What is the rank you are targeting? Please comment in the comment section. And comment this also, how many subjects you completed till now. What are the most difficult subjects you are feeling? And when you started the preparation, I request you, please comment so that we can help you accordingly. If these lectures are helping you, right, please comment and share it to your friends also. If you have any doubt at any point of time, don't forget to comment in the comment section. Keep growing, keep improving, and stay consistent. Thank you.